Welcome to Online Business School. Today we will teach you about how to create passive income 2019. In this video you will learn 6 amazing ways to make passive income. Now before we get started, please make sure you subscribe to this channel. That way when we release more videos like this one, you'll get notified. Okay, let's dive right in. Try out index funds. Index funds provide you with a way to invest in the stock market that is completely passive. For example, if you invest money in an index fund that is based on the S&P 500 index, you will be invested in the general market without having to concern yourself with choosing investments, rebalancing your portfolio, or knowing when to sell or buy individual companies. All that will be handled by the fund, which will base the fund portfolio on the makeup of the underlying index. You are also free to choose a fund that is based on any index that you want. For example, there are index funds set up for just about every market sector there is: energy, precious metals, banking, emerging markets, you name it. All you have to do is decide what you want to participate, then contribute money and sit back and relax. Your stock portfolio will then be on automatic pilot. Create YouTube videos. You can create videos in just about any area that you like: music, tutorials, opinions, comedy, movie, reviews, anything you want, and then put them on YouTube. You can then attach Google AdSense to the videos, which will overlay your videos with automatic ads. When viewers click on those ads, you will earn money from AdSense. The keys will be to create compelling videos to promote those videos on social media websites, and to create enough of them that your income will be coming from multiple sources. There's a good bit of work that goes into creating videos, but once a video is done, it can become a completely passive cash flow source for a very long time. There are lots of people who have found success with YouTube. One example is Emily Eddington. She used her love for makeup and YouTube to quit her full-time job. She has received over 66 million views on YouTube. This former morning news anchor took her passion, which was makeup, and turned it into a phenomenal success online. Partner with other companies and promote as an affiliate. This is a passive income technique that is better suited to people who have blogs and active websites. You can sign up to promote certain products or services on your site, for which you will be paid either a flat fee or a percentage on the amount of the sale completed. This isn't as hard to do as you might think, since there are thousands of companies in the world who want to sell their products in as many places as they can. You can find affiliate promotions either by contacting vendors directly or on dedicated websites such as Amazon and Max Bounty. It's always best if the product or service is one that you are either very interested in or is highly relevant to your website or the market space you work in. Put your photography to work on the net. Do you like photography? If you do, you may be able to convert it into a passive income source. Photography websites such as Shutterstock and iStock Photo can provide you with platforms to sell your photos. They may offer either a percentage or a flat fee of each photo that is sold to a site client. In this way, a single photo could represent a cash flow source since it can be sold again and again. You simply need to create your photo portfolio, put it on one or more photo platforms, and then the activity becomes completely passive. All the technicalities of the photo sales are handled through the web platform. Purchased high dividend stocks. By building a portfolio of high dividend stocks, you can create regular passive income at an annual rate that is much higher than what you can get on bank investments. Just as important, since high dividend stocks are stocks, there is always the potential for capital appreciation. In that way, you can earn passive income from two sources: dividends and capital gains. You will need a brokerage account to purchase these stocks and complete the research needed. Get cashback rewards on credit cards. There are credit cards that provide cashback rewards ranging anywhere from 1% to 5% of the amount purchased. You're going to be out shopping and buying anyway, right? Rewards will give you an opportunity to earn some passive income in the form of reduced outgoing from doing what you already do anyway. Our company has been teaching this information for many years. I recommend you go and take a look at what we do. Just click the link in the description below the video. Study with us. We have some wonderful programs, and you know something? Every one of them is about you. It helps you understand how to manage and grow your business better. If you start studying today, you can have the business success you want. Just click the link in the description below and you can then continue your development in this area. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. It motivates us to keep making them for you. Please do give the video a like. For more videos like this, hit the subscribe button. Thanks for watching.